Hello, my friends. Stevo, Magneto, Electrico. So what we're looking at is my next project. I'm just using some of this galvanized wire that I have and cutting it into the length approximately 1 Royal Cubit. In addition to this wire, what I'm going to do is magnetize it. Since it's galvanized steel, I found a pack of ceramic magnets fairly cheap, so I'm just going to use those for fun, kind of see where this goes. And what we have are the magnets. We have just magnets. Yeah. Ceramic magnets, ferromagnetic. They are not neodyme. I'm going to stack 6 and wrap them with this galvanized wire. What you're looking at is the finished product, which I wrapped the galvanized steel around the 6 ferromagnetic magnets. I also added a little bit of a additional item. The additional item that I have is this Lakhovsky style coil, and it's made out of copper. And to confirm the polarity is correct, we show that it's facing north. What I have here is the finished magnetic steel rod. Finishing touch is the beeswax. I hope everyone is doing great. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you again.